Hey.
Hey. Just want to add it to our little memory. Stop. See, we could camp here. We could camp here. Jim says, no, we can't camp here. Deserted island.
Well, I want to go to the best mosquito infested island.
We can bring air mattress.
Snakes. What about that?
Well, that's why we have a tent. And they can't get in the tent.
We don't have that.
I have a tent.
Didn't see it.
That's because it's in the laundry room. Aha! A twist.
What kind of tent?
Well, the kids and I slept in it.
2-person, 3-person, 8-person.
I think it's like a... It's not a pup tent. It's bigger than that.
So you can stand up in it?
Yeah. I mean, in the middle. I mean, it's
Like a dome tent?
I mean, we had a queen size mattress and a twin size mattress in it.
But you saw like a 20-foot anaconda snake.
It'd be good video footage.
Very possible. People used to let their pets out down here. Exotic pets. It's not as common now.
Could be dinosaurs.
You remember, I don't know, back in the, I think in the 70s or 80s, having reptiles, like big snakes and stuff like that was like popular.
Oh, they still did it.